The next item we'll be looking at is average. Okay, it is average. So let's say we have this column over here, income before, and we want to find out the average of the income before, wherever you want to put the information. But let's say we just want to calculate the average over here. You only enter equal to, like the syntax, then you bring it average. So the average returns the arithmetic mean, basically, of a data set. So you highlight your range, you close the bracket. So the average for this income before data set is 114.5. We can do same for income after. So average, select the range, close the bracket, equal to, so that is 257. You can do for the subsequent ones over here.